everybody, I would like to introduce RFID reader SAUK Profi1. It is a RFID reader of UHF tags. We can use it to identify tags on the distance of 4 meters. It is a maximum, but you should use it to identify tags from 1 or 2 meters long. This device has high level of water protection. It is 67-68. The front surface has different RGB indicators. It shows us the status of RFID reader, the status of tag identification. Inside we have rubber to make it with a good protection from water. Inside we see ceramic antenna, we see connectors, we see the slot to use to connect RS-232, RS-485, Wiegand interface to connect this device to an access controller. We see USB. Also we can use a special external board like this to save here an access table. If you would like to use this gadget without any access controllers, it can be access controller as well. So we can connect it. We remove the connector. I have already this one. We connect it and see that the device is already scanning network to connect. Yeah, we have connected, and also we have RFID tags here. To understand, we see the green one. RFID tag is in the area field, so it is not. It is. It's just simple connection and simple using. Thank you.